Hello, and welcome to Easy Story Studio. I am very happy to see you here today. Today, we have a very important topic. We are going to talk about something that stops many people. We are going to talk about fear. Many English learners know a lot of words. They know all the grammar rules, but they do not speak. Sometimes they even say, "I do not like to speak. I hate speaking." Today, we will change that. I will help you understand your fear. I will help you break your fear. If you want to speak English with confidence, you are in the right place. Let us begin. You are here today because you want to use your English. You have a beautiful goal in your mind. You want to speak English naturally. You want to talk to people without stress. You want to go to a cafe in a foreign country and order coffee. You want to sit in a business meeting and share your ideas. You want to make friends from all over the world. This is a great goal. It is a wonderful goal. But there is a wall in front of you. This wall is very high. This wall is very thick. You try to climb the wall, but you fall down. What is this wall? This wall is fear. This wall is the feeling that you cannot do it. You study English for years. You open your books every day. You write new words in your notebook. You listen to English podcasts. You watch English movies. You understand the movie. You understand the podcast. You look at a paper and you know every word. You are very smart. Your brain holds a lot of information. But then a real person comes to you. They look in your eyes. They say, "Hello, how are you today?" What happens inside your body? Your heart beats very fast. Boom, boom, boom. Your hands feel cold. Your face feels hot. Your stomach feels bad. You look at the person. You know the answer. The answer is in your head, but your mouth does not open. The words do not come out. You smile, you nod your head, and you walk away. After this happens, you feel terrible. You feel very sad. You feel angry at yourself. You go home and you say, "I am so stupid. Why did I not speak? I know the words. I know what to say." Many people feel this exact same way. Many people say to themselves, "I just do not like to speak. Speaking is not for me."
I want to tell you a secret today. You are not stupid. You are very normal. Your reaction is a normal human reaction. You do not hate speaking. You hate the feeling of fear. You hate feeling uncomfortable. No one likes to feel uncomfortable. No one likes to feel silly. Why do we feel this fear? Why are we so scared of speaking a new language? There are a few big reasons. Reason number one is the fear of mistakes. In school, mistakes are bad. When you take a test in school, a mistake gives you a bad grade. The teacher puts a big red mark on your paper. You learn that mistakes mean you are wrong. You learn that mistakes mean you are failing. So when you speak English, you want to be perfect. You want to have perfect grammar. You want to have perfect pronunciation. You want to use the best words. But perfection is a lie. Perfection does not exist. Even native speakers make mistakes. People in America make grammar mistakes every day. People in England forget words every day. If native speakers make mistakes, why do you have to be perfect? You do not. When you speak, the goal is not perfection. The goal is connection. The goal is to share a message. If the other person understands you, you win. The mistake does not matter. Reason number two is the fear of judgment. You think people will laugh at you. You think people will think you are not smart. You worry about your accent. You think, "My accent is heavy. They will not like my voice." Let me tell you the truth about your accent. Your accent is beautiful. Your accent tells a story. It tells the world that you speak more than one language. It shows that you are learning and growing. Do not hide your accent. Be proud of it. When you speak to someone, they are not judging your grammar. They are listening to your story. Most people are very kind.
If you try to speak their language, they respect you. They know it is hard. They will help you. They will wait for you to find the words. The judgment is not real. The judgment is only in your head. Think about a real-life example. Think about learning to ride a bicycle. When you are a child, you want to ride a bike. You sit on the bike, you push the pedals, and what happens? You fall down. You scrape your knee. It hurts. You cry. Do you stop riding the bike forever? No. You get up, you try again. You fall again. You try again. Every time you fall, you learn something new. You learn how to balance. You learn how to steer. After many falls, you ride the bike perfectly. You ride fast. You feel the wind in your hair. You feel free.
Speaking English is exactly like riding a bicycle. You must fall down. You must make mistakes. Every mistake is a lesson. If you do not make mistakes, you do not learn. If you stay off the bicycle, you never ride. If you keep your mouth closed, you never speak. You must accept the falls. You must accept the mistakes. So, how do we change this? How do we stop the fear? How do we start speaking? I have a plan for you. It is a simple plan, but you must follow it every day. You must change your habits. Step 1. Start in a safe place. You do not need to speak to a crowd of people today. You do not need to speak to a native speaker today. Start with yourself. Your room is a safe place. Close the door. Look in the mirror. Say hello to yourself in English. Talk about your day. Say, today I am going to work. I will drink coffee. I am wearing a blue shirt. It sounds simple. It is simple. But you are moving your mouth. You are making English sounds without fear. No one is listening. No one is judging. You are safe. Step 2. Speak to things around you. This is a very good exercise. When you are alone in your house, name the things you see. Look at the table and say, this is a brown table. Look at the window and say, the window is open. The sky is blue. When you cook food, talk about the food. I am cutting an onion. I am frying an egg. This trains your brain to find English words quickly. It makes English a normal part of your daily life. It takes the pressure away. Step 3. Read out loud. Take an easy English book. Take a short story. Do not read it silently in your head. Read it with your voice. Speak the words loud and clear. Feel the rhythm of the sentences. This is great practice for your mouth muscles. It helps your pronunciation. Because you are reading, you do not have to think about the grammar. The grammar is already correct on the paper. You only have to focus on making the sound. Read out loud for 10 minutes every day. Your voice will get stronger. Step 4. Find one safe partner. When you feel comfortable speaking to yourself, find one person. Find a friend who is also learning English. Do not find someone who is perfect. Find someone who is at your level. Make a rule with your friend. Say, we will speak English for 15 minutes. We will not correct each other. We will just talk. Talk about easy things. Talk about movies. Talk about food. Talk about your family. If you make a mistake, laugh about it together. This builds your confidence. It shows you that you can have a real conversation.
Step 5. Change the way you think about fear. Fear is not always a bad thing. When you feel afraid, it means you are doing something new. It means you are growing. If you only do easy things, you stay in the same place. You never get better. When your heart beats fast before you speak, do not say, I am scared. Say, I am excited. Change the word in your brain. Excitement and fear feel the same in the body. You choose what to call it. Choose excitement. Choose to see it as a challenge. I want to tell you about a real person. His name is David. David was a software engineer. He was brilliant. He wrote amazing code. He understood very complex systems. He worked for a big company. One day, his boss said, "David, you need to present your project to the American team." David was terrified. He hated speaking. He always sat quietly in meetings. He sent emails because he did not want to speak English. For 1 week, David could not sleep. He felt sick. He thought about quitting his job. He thought, "I cannot do this. My English is not good enough. They will not understand me." But David did not quit. He decided to fight his fear. He wrote his presentation. Then he went to his bedroom. He closed the door. He spoke to his wall. He made many mistakes. He forgot his words. He stopped and started again. He did this 20 times. The next day, he practiced in front of a mirror. He looked at his own eyes. It was hard, but he kept going. The day of the presentation came. David stood in front of the camera. The American team was on the screen. David's heart was beating very fast. His hands were shaking, but he remembered his practice. He took a deep breath. He opened his mouth. He did not speak perfectly. He used the wrong verb tense twice. He had a strong accent, but he spoke clearly. He spoke loudly. He shared his ideas, and a wonderful thing happened. The American team listened. They smiled. They asked him questions. He answered them. They understood him completely.
After the meeting, his boss said, "Great job, David." In that moment, David's fear was gone. The wall was broken. He realized that the American team did not care about his small grammar mistakes. They cared about his ideas. They cared about his project. David is not a superhero. He's a normal guy. He just decided to open his mouth even when he was afraid. You can be like David. You can break your wall. You have to understand that waiting will not help you. You cannot wait until your English is perfect to start speaking. If you wait for perfection, you will wait forever. The only way to get better at speaking is by speaking. Do not let the fear steal your opportunities. Do not let the fear stop you from getting that job. Do not let the fear stop you from making that friend. Do not let the fear keep you quiet. Your voice is important. You have interesting things to say. The world wants to hear your ideas. They want to hear your stories. But they cannot hear you if you do not speak. Start today. Make a promise to yourself right now. Promise that you will stop hiding. Promise that you will make mistakes on purpose. Yes, on purpose. Go out and try to make a mistake today. When you make the mistake, smile. Say, "I am learning." Learning English is a long road. There will be good days and bad days. Some days the words will flow like water. Other days your brain will feel empty. This is normal. Do not give up on the bad days. Keep pushing. Keep trying. Remember, courage is not the absence of fear. Courage is feeling the fear and doing it anyway. Feel the fear. Let your heart beat fast. Let your hands shake. But open your mouth. Speak the words. You are stronger than your fear. You are smarter than your doubts. You have put in the hard work. You have studied the books. Now it is time to use what you know. Step out of the shadows. Step into the light. Speak loud. Speak clear. Speak with mistakes. Speak with a beautiful accent. But most importantly, just speak. I believe in you. You have the power to do this. Your English journey is just beginning.
Thank you so much for being here today. I hope you feel inspired. I hope you are ready to face your fear. Remember the main lesson. Do not wait for perfection. Mistakes are your friends. Mistakes help you grow. Start speaking today, even if it is just to yourself in the mirror. You can break the wall of fear. I know you can. If this video gave you courage today, please do me a big favor. Please like this video, leave a comment below, and tell me one thing you will speak about today. And do not forget to subscribe to Easy Story Studio for more videos to help you on your English journey. See you next time, and keep speaking without fear.